Alright, gather round folks, we've seen tools evolve, we've seen them get smarter, faster, better, but every now and then something comes along that just changes the game entirely. Today we're talking about one of those game changers. This is the M-Cube-02 laser level. And let me tell you, it's not your grandpa's spirit level, not by a long shot. This device is poised to redefine what we expect from precision measurement on any job site, big or small. It's exciting stuff, truly. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a leap. Imagine setting up for a complex layout. You need perfect lines, unwavering and true. Traditional levels, they try their best, but they have their limits. Vibrations, accidental bumps, the slightest instability, it all adds up to frustration and rework. The M-Cube-02, however, laughs in the face of such disturbances. It brings a new kind of stability, a new kind of confidence to your work. This is about making the difficult, easy. So what's the secret sauce? What makes this M-Cube-02 so special? It's something called the graviton stabilization matrix. Yeah, I know, it sounds like something straight out of science fiction. And honestly, the way it performs feels a bit like magic. This isn't just a fancy name for a better gimbal. It's a fundamentally different approach to achieving a perfectly stable laser projection, regardless of the chaos that might be happening around it. We're talking about a paradigm shift in leveling technology, folks. Think of it as anti-gravity stabilization for your laser lines. The graviton stabilization matrix actively counteracts movement and disturbances in 3 dimensions. It doesn't just dampen vibrations, it effectively nullifies them in real time. This means the laser line stays locked, absolutely unwavering, even if the unit itself is experiencing minor shakes or tilts. This core technology is what elevates the M-Cube-02 from a useful tool to an indispensable instrument for anyone who demands absolute precision. It's a beautiful piece of engineering. Let's dive deeper into how this graviton matrix actually works its wonders. In practical terms, on a busy construction site, this is huge. Imagine you're on a floor with heavy machinery operating nearby, or maybe you're working on a slightly unstable scaffold. With older laser levels, those vibrations would send your laser line dancing, making accurate marking nearly impossible. You'd be waiting for things to settle, wasting precious time. The M-Cube-02, with its graviton matrix, simply doesn't care. It holds that line steady as a rock. This incredible stability translates directly into speed. Setup time is drastically reduced. You place the M-Cube-02, power it on, and bam, your line is there, stable and ready. There's no more tedious waiting for a pendulum to settle. No more readjusting after every little bump. This speed isn't just about convenience, it's about efficiency. It means projects get done faster, with fewer errors. The resilience to vibrations also means you can work in environments that were previously too challenging for laser levels. And it's not just about horizontal leveling. The M-Cube-02 projects crisp, clear plumb lines with the same unwavering stability. This makes it an absolute beast for all sorts of layout applications. Think framing walls, installing cabinets, aligning pipes and conduit, or even complex tile patterns. The accuracy it maintains, even when projecting lines across considerable distances, is phenomenal. It takes the guesswork out of getting things perfectly vertical, ensuring your structures are sound and your finishes are flawless. The key features enabled by this tech are truly transformative. The speed of setup is one. The resilience to common job site vibrations is another massive plus. But it's also about the confidence this tool instills. You know that the line you see is the line you can trust. This reduces the mental load, allowing you to focus on the task at hand rather than constantly second-guessing your measurements. It's a tool that works with you, not against you in demanding conditions. Now, all this amazing tech wouldn't mean much if the tool was a pain to use, right? Thankfully, the designers of the M-Cube-02 clearly thought about the user. The interface is incredibly intuitive. We're talking simple, clearly labeled buttons. A bright, easy-to-read display that gives you all the essential information at a glance, even in bright sunlight or dimly lit spaces. There's no steep learning curve here. You can take it out of the box and be working like a pro in minutes. That's smart design. Beyond the onboard controls, the M-Cube-02 embraces modern connectivity. It features robust Bluetooth integration. This means you can connect it to a dedicated smartphone app. From the app, you can remotely control the laser functions, select different line modes, and even monitor battery status. Imagine adjusting the laser from across the room without having to walk back to the unit. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a genuine time saver and a boost to productivity, especially when working solo. Let's talk power, because a tool is only as good as its battery life. The M-Cube02 utilizes advanced lithium-ion battery technology. This means extended runtimes, allowing you to get through a full day's work and often more on a single charge. And when it does need a top-up, the power management system supports fast charging, minimizing downtime. They've even included intelligent features to optimize power consumption, ensuring you get the most out of every charge cycle. It's built for the long haul. And finally, build quality. This tool is designed to survive the realities of a demanding job site. It's not a delicate flower. The M-Cube02 boasts a rugged, impact-resistant housing. It's sealed against dust and water ingress, giving it a solid IP rating. You can feel the quality when you hold it. It's got that reassuring heft that tells you it's built to last. This isn't a tool you'll be replacing every year. It's an investment in durability and reliability. Of course, with any laser tool, safety is paramount. The M-Cube02 uses a Class 2 laser. This means it's considered safe for normal operation, provided you don't stare directly into the beam for extended periods. Standard precautions apply. Never point the laser at anyone's eyes. Be aware of reflective surfaces. The manual provides clear guidelines, and it's crucial to follow them. Responsible use ensures everyone on site stays safe while benefiting from this awesome technology. It's about working smart and working safe. The applications for the M-Cube02 are incredibly diverse. In construction, it's a natural fit for everything from foundation work and framing to electrical and plumbing installations. Interior designers will love it for precise alignment of fixtures, wallpaper, and cabinetry. It ensures that every element is perfectly placed, creating those flawless finishes clients expect. Its ability to project sharp, stable lines over distance makes it invaluable for large-scale projects as well as smaller, detailed tasks. But its usefulness doesn't stop there. Think about surveyors who need quick, reliable reference lines, or stage and event production crews setting up lighting rigs and scenery. Precision is key. Even in advanced manufacturing or quality control processes, the M-Cube02 can find a home. Anywhere a perfectly stable, highly visible, and accurate line is needed, this tool can deliver. Its versatility is a testament to the power of its core graviton stabilization matrix technology. It's a problem solver across industries. So, is the M-Cube02 worth it? Absolutely. It's more than just a laser level, it's a productivity machine. It saves time, reduces errors, and brings a new level of confidence to precision work. The graviton stabilization matrix isn't just an improvement, it's a revelation. This tool represents the future of leveling, and I reckon we'll see this kind of stabilization tech become the new standard. The M-Cube02 is leading the charge, and it's a fantastic piece of kit.